So we made a video recently about ChatGPT and them getting rid of Canvas in the 5.5 models. And they did put in a new solution for what you used to be able to do in Canvas. So I wanted to talk about one of those things today. And it's if you're familiar with Canvas, it would let you do, it would have basically a lightweight word processor. And what they've done now is they've created like inline, what they're called writing blocks. So instead of being able to, I'll go backwards. So just to get to this screen here, you have to go to chatgpt.com and then you have to log in. And then you get to this page here. And then on the left side of your prompting area, you click on the plus here and you can, oops, and then you have your menu here. Canvas used to be under this menu and then they don't have it anymore. So now with 5.5 models, there is no Canvas. So if you're looking for Canvas and maybe you didn't watch the other video, the new model got rid of Canvas. So if you used Canvas or you used Canvas for writing, what they have now are called writing blocks. So what you can do is, let's do that again. You can ask for a blank writing block, and it doesn't have to be blank. I'm just like showing you an example, just kind of like with Canvas, you could have asked for something, whatever kind of output you had, and like ask for it in Canvas. You can do the same thing now, and you can ask for your output in a writing block, and then it allows you to edit it, and then you can also have the model edit it. But you can start with a blank writing block, and then it will give you this. And now I have this writing block in here, and then it's like I can type stuff in here. So I can type in here, and then I can also prompt the model to do stuff in here, but just to kind of show you your options in here, I can just do regular text, and then I can do Markdown if you're familiar. So I can do like this, and then I don't know if you saw that, but now the cursor is a little bit bigger. So like this is a heading 1, and then if I do 2 of these, then this is a heading 2, and if I do 3 of these, and this is, oops, a heading 3, etc. And I can do this, and this is a bullet. Oops. I'll keep doing that. I could do 1. This is a numbered list, etc. So like there are multiple things in here that I can do if I know that they're in here. If I don't know that they're in here and it says it right here, I can type a slash and it'll give me the command. So now I can just generate text, which is the first line that I did up here. I can do a divider, which is just that line there. I can do a checklist. So I can type in here. So I can say like, oops, item 1 and item 2. Item 3, etc. Text we already did. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. We did those here. Numbered list, bulleted list. That's everything you can do in here. There were other things that you could do in Canvas before. You could kind of have it like there are some selectable editing things. You can still prompt for the same editing things, but you have to know to prompt for them. So, I mean, this is, I mean, I don't know. It really depends on how much you use Canvas, how much you like Canvas. Some people like this just fine. Some people really don't like it at all. You can select edit here, and then you can just type in the changes that you want up here. You can also type in changes that you want down here. It's definitely different than Canvas was. You can also click on the arrows here and it'll go full screen. And then again, you can describe edits that you want and do a couple of things. You can add it to your library. So it's kind of, it's a different solution again, but this is a writing block. So if you used Canvas, or maybe you didn't use Canvas and you didn't even know it could do that, you can have something within ChatGPT, and instead of just having output that you can't do anything with except for just basically copy and paste somewhere else, you can do things in writing blocks. So, like a practical example of this is if you have it write, I don't know, like an email for you, you can say, write an email to my team about the, retreat on Tuesday and output it to a writing block. And then you can have it output your email to here. And then instead of just kind of not liking certain things, but just having to kind of deal with it, you can take that output and then you can come in here and you can edit it. And you can either ask for changes or you can just edit it yourself. And then it lets you work on a document with the model. So any kind of written output that you have, you can ask for it into a writing block, and then you get one of these, and then you have the ability to change things. It's not like Microsoft Word level or Google Docs level, but in a lot of cases, you don't need all those editing options. You just need kind of the basics. So this can be kind of nice. So I don't know. This has kind of gotten mixed reviews from what I've seen. So if that is something that you use with Canvas, or maybe you want to use now for the first time, give it a try, see what you think, and we'll see you next time.